On the upper part of the Ecodan package unit, we have our main board. You see it here, it's written FTC6. These are where all the zone valves are wired to, external pumps, 3-port valves, etc. We have here on the far right is our immersion fuse. This will trip if there was an issue. Contactor to bring power down to the immersion. Our communication block, S1, S2, S3. And our power supply to power the board, live, neutral, alert. Up the far left will give us a pressure gauge of what the actual system pressure is reading.